minerals. Dear students, you know the difference between plane light properties and cross light properties of minerals. Cross light properties are those optical properties of minerals which we observe in cross-polarized light. And cross-polarized light is produced by cross-Nicola or cross-polarizer. Dear students, now what is meant by cross-Nicola or cross-polarizer? You know that photographic microscope contains two polarizers. One is lower polarizer which remains fixed. It is always present in the path of light. On the other hand, upper polarizer can be inserted in the path of light as well as it can be removed from the path of light. When upper polarizer is also inserted in the path of light and now both polarizers are present in the path of light, then polarizers are said to be crossed. And when polarizers are crossed, the resulting light is termed as cross-polarized light. Why it is called as cross-polarized light? Because each polarizer polarizes the light at right angle to each other. That's why such light which passes through both polarizers is then called as cross-polarized light. And the optical properties of minerals which we observe in cross-polarized light, such optical properties are then called as cross-polarized light properties, or simply they are called as cross-light properties. Remember students that cross-Nicola produces darkness when the stage is unoccupied or it holds optically isotropic mineral, while anisotropic mineral produces a range of interference colors. It means that a darkness is produced by cross-Nicola whenever stage is either empty or it holds isotropic mineral. On the other hand, if stage holds anisotropic mineral, then cross-Nicola produces a variety of interference colors.